Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kannada for Beginners. Let's start learning Kannada and begin speaking with confidence. In this video, we will learn simple and useful Kannada words that you can use in daily life. Today is day 1 of learning Kannada. In this lesson, we are going to learn basic greetings for beginners. These are simple and very useful words that you can use in your daily life. We will learn, we will speak, and we will practice. So, let's begin our Kannada learning journey. Stay with me till the end. Now, let us see the word number 1. The Kannada word is Namaskara. I repeat once again, the Kannada word is Namaskara. In English, it means hello. In English, it means hello. Now let us see the pronunciation of the word Namaskara. Na-mas-ka-ra. I repeat once again. Na-mas-ka-ra. I hope you got the Na-mas-ka-ra. Now, let us see the usage of Namaskara. When you greet a man politely, you can say Namaskara, sir. That means hello, sir. When you greet a woman politely, you can say Namaskara, madam. That means hello, madam. This is a respectful way to greet people in Kannada. Now, let's learn word number 2. The Kannada word is Dhanyavadagalu. I repeat once again, the Kannada word is Dhanyavadagalu. In English, it means thank you. In English, it means thank you. Now, let us see the pronunciation of Dhanyavadagalu. The-nya-va-da-ga-lu. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. 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 Now, let us see the usage sentence of ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. When you thank an elder woman, you can say ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು aunty. That means thank you aunty. When you thank an elder man, you can say ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು uncle. That means thank you uncle. This is a respectful way to say thank you in Kannada. Now, let us see when to use these Namaskara and ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು words. You can say Namaskara and ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು when you are meeting elders. You can also use it in the office and in the formal places like schools, hospitals or meetings. So remember, Namaskara and ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು is a polite and respectful way to say hello and thank you in Kannada. Now it's time to practice. Say it with me. Namaskara, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Namaskara, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Hope you repeat with me. Namaskara, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning basic Kannada words. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Kannada for Beginners. Keep learning Kannada with me. See you soon. Until then, take care. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.